Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you to activate the equalizer for your sound. So of course, you're going to go to your settings. And of course, this is, by the way, the S26 Ultra. It will apply to other devices as well. You're going to go to sounds and vibrations under settings. Then of course, you're going to go into sound quality and effects. It's going to come up and ask you this question. You can always say allow. Then of course you can turn on the equalizer. Notice by default it's set to balance, but of course you can choose any of these profiles. So if you want to keep balance, you can go to a bass, smooth, dynamic, clear, and of course you have table boost, and you can do a custom where you choose. So of course if I stay on balance, balance will be that. So if I say a bass boost and go back, you'll notice it says bass boost there. And if I come here now, I can keep it as is. All right, so the choice is yours. I'll keep mine on balance, but as for you, you can boost it as you need. And of course, that's it in terms of setting that up. And that's how you change the sound profile on your device. Hope that was helpful in terms of the equalizer and how to use it. And of course, you can play around with it a bit. It does work. And of course, it gives you better sound, or you can tweak the sound for more bass or whatever you want. Hope that was useful. See you in the next one. Bye.